Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start fast. Check that the Airpods show no LEDs and the case feels cold. That indicates dead battery. Use the device tied to your Apple ID, turn Bluetooth and location on, and open Find My. Tap devices and select the Airpods entry. Try play sound even if it likely won't play. This step attempts to fetch the last known location and timestamp. It's crucial because it narrows search areas and tells you where charging or recovery attempts should begin. Once you have the last known location, treat it as the primary search zone. Walk the route you took from that timestamp. Look along the edges of paths, under seats, and in pockets or bags you used. Dead AirPods won't emit sound, so visual search is everything. Make sure to check high and low surfaces and any clothing with deep seams. If you were near water or dense foliage, slow down and inspect likely drop points carefully. This increases your odds of spotting the case's silhouette or reflection. If you recover the case, plug it in and confirm the AirPods charge and reconnect. That restores location reporting. If they remain missing, mark them lost in Find My and enable Notify when found so you get an alert if someone powers them. Also contact local Lost and Found, check nearby surveillance, and revisit the area within 24 to 48 hours. People often turn them in. If nothing works, consider replacing or contacting Apple support for lost device options. Keep serial numbers handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.